In today's video, I'll show you how to send and receive Bitcoin with the Lightning Network. Please note that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses you incur, you will be fully liable for them. Now, we're going to use Coinbase for this video because not all exchanges support Lightning yet. So we'll start with receiving because it'll show you how to send. So we want to click on trade here at the bottom. Then we're going to click on receive. Click on Bitcoin, then choose Lightning instead of Bitcoin. Now here you are going to put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. And now you want to click on create invoice when you're done. And now it's going to create the invoice. Keep in mind, trading over the Lightning network always uses invoices. And then you're just going to copy your Lightning invoice. So now obviously if you want to send Bitcoin, the wallet that you want to send to, you need to create a Lightning invoice for it. So it would be the same process as we did here. Maybe you're sending it to a Coinbase wallet or so forth. What you're going to do now is then obviously get that Lightning invoice. Depends on what wallet you're using, so I can't say for sure how the process will be. But then you're going to click on transfer and then you're going to click on send crypto. Now, I don't have any crypto on Coinbase, but over here you will select Bitcoin and you will select the amount. Make sure the amount matches what you invoiced out on your other wallet. So Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet, whatever you're using. And then you'll just paste in your invoice address. And that's pretty much how easy it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. But if you just follow the steps I provided, you'll be able to follow the prompts from there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.